Let's see here. 57. 57. 57. Let's just start. Switch it out with this one. Only Truth Part 2. That sounds so bad. We're going, and we still got good oil pressure. What's up? Oh. Duramax for the win, baby! Let's go! Alright guys, we are back with another video today, and we'll be working on the LML Duramax, as you can see. But first, we got a package. So as you can see, Brunt sent me a package. These are some work boots, and as you probably all seen, a couple of creators also received the same package. They reached out a couple weeks ago, but I didn't want to open the box. Well, I opened it, but I didn't want to take them out of the box and use them until I filmed this exact video. So we're going to open them up together and see, move that out the way, exactly how they are. I guess this is a little cleaning rag. It's not too shabby. They're kind of light. They're carbon composites. They're not steel toe. Pretty clean. It's not bad. Nice box. I see a lot of people have been receiving these also, so you know, obviously I'm not the first, but they don't look bad, they don't look horrible. Let's try them on. Go. As you can see, we got them on. First thing I noticed that they have a lot of padding in them. They kind of feel big and bulky. They kind of look bulky, as you can see too. So they do feel like that. They're not that heavy, just feel really bulky. And another thing I thought was pretty cool, they have it where you can lace in like a regular shoe, or you can go around outside for them hardworking men who like to just unwrap their shoes and they're done like this. So I prefer that way, so I can get them off easier and keep them tied at the same time. But whatever it works, there's options. I do like that. But we're gonna be using them in this video and then see how they do afterwards. Like I said in the last video, I like to be honest because I'm an honest person. So we're actually gonna be putting these boots to work on the Duramax, and we're gonna get an honest opinion whenever we're done working on the Duramax and done with the boots. So with that being said, let's get to the Duramax and get this thing tore down. We're gonna pull the front clip off, and then we're gonna try to get everything around the engine, pull the whole engine and wiring harness out as one complete unit, not taking the engine apart in the truck, only outside the truck. We will diagnose the problem and see what the problem was. Alright guys, as you can tell, we got the front clip off. It took a little longer than expected. I wasn't expecting it to take that long to get off. But we got it off now, so our plan is to get all the harness and everything, all the AC lines off, all the harness over here, this harness over here. We got to unbolt the transmission, unbolt the motor mounts. We're going to try to leave the power steering pump hooked up and lay it to the side. And then the rest of the wiring and coolant hoses. We're gonna get all that out the way, wrapped up, and we're gonna pull the engine out forward like this. I'm hoping I don't have any clearance issues back there, but it looks like the turbo and all will clear pretty easily. As for our Brunt boots, they look like they'll be taking some abuse. Not too bad. They're still, they still feel very tight. Of course, the new boots are gonna, but they just feel very stiff. So that's one thing I want to let y'all guys know. I am curious about what happened exactly. I know the front of the crank was, it shakes really bad when you run the engine. So we're going to get this bolt pulled off and we're going to see what happened, if we could see anything right here. Or I'm curious to see if this pin sheared in here. If some of you guys don't know, this is a 36mm bolt, 12 point, or, yeah, 12 point. Cool. Sounds like the first two journals are broke. So we moved on to the starter over here. And just in case some of you didn't know, there's two 15mm bolts holding the starter in. Goes that way on one right here and one on the bottom side back there. But you have to remove your exhaust, drop it, and I'm hoping this is how you get it out. But that's how we're trying to get it out right now. Probably one of the worst jobs I've done on this truck so far is removing this damn starter and fighting with it for like 30 minutes. Just a little baby starter. So pretty much got it out. Show you what I did. So I had to unbolt the motor mount, as you can see, get the room. And I had to lift the engine so we can actually get the starter out. No starter jobs for Duramaxes for me. So we got the starter out. Now we're pulling the torque converter bolts out. Get the hard stuff out the way first. So as you can see, I'm going through here and getting them out. Seems the easiest way for me. And if you see that little hole right there, that's where the torque converter bolt is going to be. Now I have 5 out. I'm not really sure how many they have. I think they have 6, but I'll let you guys know. Seems I got everything out the way to get it pulled out. The only thing I do is undo this one side motor mount right here. Taking the whole assembly out seems pretty easy. Just the starter bolts, transmission bolts, torque converter bolts, motor mounts, and the harness and everything slaps over, and all the front. Seems pretty simple to do.
in the dark.
So as you can see, we got the old engine out and sitting on the ground. Ran into a couple issues with the front diff. Nothing major, just had to drop the front diff down. Had to take this bracket completely out. And the oil pan of the engine fit very tight between the two main motor mount brackets right there. So yeah, but we got her out and we got to get the new engine in. That will be tomorrow. We will be doing that and making a new video. Sorry, but don't want to give the whole swap away at once. So also, the Brunts seem to be doing good, but they're not the most comfortable boots. For the price, I'll be honest, I wear Justins usually, and I know a lot of people hate on Justins, and some people wear Ariats, and some people like Justins. I prefer Justins, and for the price of these, I would just buy another set of Justins. No offense to Brunt. I know it's only my first day. I'll let you know about the second day tomorrow. But they just, I couldn't buy these. If I was buying a boot, I'd buy Justins over these all day long. And I know a lot of people have been basically like praising these boots. That's because everyone that you see on here gets them for free and they feel like they need to. They don't really feel like they have to give their full opinion on them. But that's the reason they send these things out, to give your full opinion. And like I said, I don't really think they're worthy of me buying if I had to buy these boots cash. So I did get them free from Brunt, but I just I couldn't agree with them. They're too big and bulky, and then they get like they're very tight, stiff. And I mean, obviously all boots are like that new, but like you can feel like it's not gonna like, they ain't really gonna ease up that much. They're like thick feeling. But I'm gonna get a lot of hate probably, but I'm literally stating my honest opinion. And I mean, if you don't like it, you don't like it. I don't care. Well, with that being said, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment section below of what you think. And this, like I said, this truck will be for sale. So if you're interested in the 2011 full drive LML Duramax, fully deleted and tuned, let me know. It's got leather seats and stuff in the inside. It'll be for sale for $17,500 with 100 new, as you can see, new motor. It has 100,000 miles. I do have receipts to it. And other than that, I mean, it's a stout truck. It just literally broke the crank. So be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section below, share this video, and let's get the channel to grow. We need 5K subscribers, and then I'll be pulling the dash back out the retro cab, and I will show you exactly how to do the dash swap piece by piece. Catch you on the next one.